everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the color picker tool in Paint. Start by opening an image in Paint that contains the color you want to use. Next, go to the Tools section on the Home tab and click the Color Picker tool, which is represented by an eyedropper icon. Once the tool is selected, move your cursor over the image and click on the exact color you want to sample. Paint will automatically set that color as your active color section, allowing you to use it for drawing, filling shapes, adding text, or editing tasks. This is a quick and easy way to match colors precisely without having to select them manually from the color palette. And that's it. Thanks for watching.